thrown randomly from a box containing cards numbered 1 to 12. So the question is, what is the theoretical probability of getting a number that is multiple of 3? So step 1, write the sample space. So based on the given situation, what is the sample space? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Well, but we need to put, braces and capital letter S. So after getting the sample space, our next step is favorable outcome. Anak, ang favorable outcomes ay dito lang po kukunin sa possible outcomes. So, ang sabi dito, what is the theoretical probability of getting a number that is a multiple of 3? And ano yung mga number na multiple of 3 na makikita dito? Okay, para maging favorable outcome, capital letter E. This is the answer. And then after getting the sample space and the favorable outcome, okay, makukuha na po natin anak yung probability. So what is the numerator? 4, kasi 4 po yung favorable outcomes. Over? Okay. 4 over 12 is equal to 1/3. Why? Because 4 and 12 are both divisible by? Okay, so 4 divided by 4, 1. And then 12 divided by 4 is 3. Now, what is the equivalent of 1/3 to decimal? Okay, very good. 0.33. Okay, and 0.33 equivalent in percent? Okay, very good. 33%.